Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to mint and burn Djed in the Testnet environment. The first thing you'll need to do is go to Cardano's test faucet and get some test data. Enter in your wallet address. Confirm you're not a robot and request the funds. Next, you'll need to go back to the Djed website, which is djed.xyz, and connect your NAMI wallet. Make sure to go to your NAMI wallet and change your settings from mainnet to testnet, and click on the custom node box. Enter in the URL that will be given to you in the testnet launch article and apply it under the custom node. Now we are ready to mint and burn Djed. Click on the Djed stablecoin tab and enter the amount of Djed you would like to mint. Review the fees and click Mint. You'll get redirected to your wallet to sign the transaction. You'll need to enter in your NAMI wallet password and hit Confirm. You see that the transaction was successful, and you should be able to see your pending transaction at the bottom of the page. The same will apply to burn Djed. You'll want to enter the amount that you would like to burn, review the fees, and click Burn. You will get redirected to your NAMI wallet to confirm the transaction. Once you hit Burn, you will see your transaction pending at the bottom of the page. If you have any questions or feedback you wish to share with us after testing Djed, feel free to send us an email to contact@djed.xyz. Thank you and stay COTI.